And we're back to learning Gimp, and this time I'm going to show you the quickest way to turn a colored photo into black and white. I've got the original right here, and all we have to do is to go to Image, Mode, and change it to Grayscale. And we're already done. Afterwards we can use the tools under colors, for example the curves or the levels, and adjust it if we want to. But that's already it, so just a quick tip today. Be careful when you want to change it back to RGB, it's not going to bring back the colors. So you need to re-import the original after changing the mode to RGB, and then it's colored again, but you can't turn a black and white photo into a colored one by using this method. I hope this video was helpful, thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time.